side. Welcome to the Holiday Championship. Let's get this game started.
Look at us go, dear. We've still got the rhythm.
Okay, everyone, take a look at this incredible 2D animation style video. Every single animation you're seeing here was created using 100% free AI tools. I designed these videos in a unique animation style inspired by high-quality cinematic storytelling while giving them a completely fresh and original look. Before we begin, watch these clips carefully. Notice how every scene is cinematic, emotionally engaging, and visually stunning. The smooth storytelling keeps viewers hooked from the very first scene until the end. Now open YouTube and search for the channel Rico Animation. This channel has over 13 million subscribers and receives millions of views every month. If you check its most popular uploads, you'll find videos with 254 million, 141 million, 134 million, and many more with hundreds of millions of views. This clearly proves that high-quality 2D animated storytelling has enormous audience potential. But here's something important. I'm not going to copy this channel. I only show successful channels to help you understand what works. We'll create everything from scratch using our own original stories, unique characters, custom prompts, and a completely different visual style. That way your content stays original and has a much better chance of long-term success on YouTube. Now let's move on to the most exciting part. I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you. This single prompt contains absolutely everything you need. Complete story structure, character consistency, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, scene-by-scene workflow, full AI generation process. You don't need to visit any other website or spend hours writing prompts manually. Simply copy the master prompt, open Claude AI, paste it into the chat, and click Generate. Claude AI will ask what type of 9-scene story you'd like to create. This is where the fun begins. You can choose absolutely any idea: adventure, fantasy, comedy, emotional storytelling, mystery, action, or anything you can imagine. Just describe your idea in a few sentences. Once you submit it, Claude AI automatically generates your complete story. Just wait a few moments. And look at this. Our entire story is now ready. Every single scene is professionally structured, and you'll receive detailed prompts for the images, videos, and voiceover. Everything is perfectly organized and ready to use. Now, let's generate our images. For image generation, I'll be using Flow AI, which is completely free. Inside Flow AI, I'll select the Nano Banana 2 model. Then I'll simply paste the prompt for scene 1 and click Generate. Now all we need is a little patience, and wow, look at this. Our very first image has been generated beautifully. Now I'll repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. I'll copy the prompt for scene 2, then scene 3, scene 4, and continue all the way to scene 9, generating each image one by one. After a few more minutes, take a look at these amazing results. All of our images are now complete. You can clearly see how cinematic, visually consistent, and professionally designed every scene looks. The characters remain consistent throughout the entire story, and every image perfectly matches the narrative. Now simply download all of the generated images. Once that's finished, it's time for the next step. We'll move over to our 100% free AI video generation tool and transform these static images into smooth, cinematic, professional-quality animated videos. All right, everyone, here's the next step. Now, open DIGEN AI. The best part? It's completely free to use. And here's something really exciting. When you sign in with your Gmail account for the very first time, DIGEN AI gives you 120 free credits every single day. That's more than enough to create multiple AI-generated videos daily without spending a single dollar. So simply sign in with your Gmail account and you're ready to go. As you can see, I currently have plenty of credits available. Don't worry if your account looks different once you log in, you'll also receive your daily free credits. Now it's time for the most exciting part. Let's generate our animated videos. From the model selection menu, choose Real Motion 3.1 Turbo. Next, upload the first image that we generated earlier. After that, copy and paste the matching video prompt for scene 1. Once everything is in place, simply click Generate. Now all we have to do is wait. The AI usually takes about 1 minute to create the animation. After waiting for a moment, wow, take a look at this.
Welcome to the Holiday Championship! Let's get this game started!
Our very first animated scene is now complete. Just look at the quality. The character movements are smooth, the camera motion feels cinematic, and the overall animation looks incredibly professional. Take a few seconds to watch the result carefully. Now let's create scene 2. I'll upload the second image, paste the matching prompt, and click Generate once again. As you can see, the video is now rendering. Let's wait another minute, and look at this amazing result.
Everything is going to be all right. I am right here with you.
The second animation looks just as impressive. The characters remain perfectly consistent, the background matches beautifully, and the animation quality is outstanding. Now let's move on to scene 3. I'll upload the third image, paste the scene 3 prompt, and click Generate. Once again, we simply wait for the AI to finish processing. After another short wait,
Wait, so which one of you is getting the haircut?
amazing. Our first 3 animated scenes are now complete. Take a closer look at the final results. The cinematic camera movements, realistic character animations, expressive facial emotions, smooth motion, and visual consistency all come together to create a professional-looking animated story. Now, simply repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Upload each image, paste its corresponding prompt, click Generate, and continue until all 9 scenes are finished. Once every scene has been generated, you'll have a complete AI animated story ready for your YouTube channel. The final step is simple. Import all of your generated clips into your favorite video editor. Arrange them in the correct order, add your AI-generated voiceover, background music, sound effects, subtitles, and any finishing touches you like. Finally, export your video in high quality, and your professional AI animated video is ready to upload to YouTube. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something valuable. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.